We don't have an Ikea in Nashville, so we took advantage of a recent trip to pick up a couple of goodies. I love to cook, so of course I had to get some stuff for the kitchen. I really want to bake some more this year, so I got this set of spatulas, and these cupcake liners will be so cute for the spring or summer. I also got 2 of these baskets for storage and found this cute star lamp in the Christmas clearance. And lastly, I got some stuff for our little coffee station, which we're going to be giving a little makeover. Since we got so much snow, Jordy and I went out to play in it. We both grew up in Miami and would rarely see snow, so we take every opportunity to enjoy it when we can. There's just something so magical about snow that I absolutely love. Most people hate winter, but living in Nashville, it's definitely my favorite season. We get just enough snow for it to be fun without the inconvenience of being constantly snowed in, and it's almost always sunny, so we don't get that seasonal depression. As a homebody, I just love this time of year and not having to make excuses for staying in and cozying up at home.
Perfect.